In God I rise, in God I trust. My birthright is in God's hands. God's grace, I am forever kept. God's favor tracks my every step. Prosperity is my spiritual right. God opens doors. God opens gates. I am in God's abundant state, so I breathe. And so I live within gratitude, within God's faith. Every moment I spend my words. I invest in peace. I spend in faith. Every thought a seed. Every blessing increase. In God I rise. In God I trust. I sow with love. I reap with ease. I am aligned with what God sees.